Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and let's get into this video. So for this evening's video, I got the Huda mystery bag. I've never gotten her mystery bags before. Honestly, I've never even purchased anything from her website before. I know, I'm sad to admit that, but it's only because her products, I thought they were really pricey, but then when I went on there, they're not that bad. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So here's the box that came today. I got the smaller bag, because I didn't know exactly everything in the mystery bag, so I just wanted to see. And I got some other things too. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, it's cute. The wrapping is very cute. And then everything is in a bubble wrap. Okay, so this is everything right here. And I'm just gonna go through the mystery bag with you guys and show you everything I got. Okay, so this is cool because it's like a Ziploc bag type. And I also purchased some other items. I wanted to try out her products. I do have a couple of her palettes bags. So this is the mystery bag. It was $49 and it comes with 4 full-size items. This packaging is so cute. Open it up and see what we got inside. I don't know if everybody's getting the same items in the bags. It includes a postcard. We hope you enjoy a mystery bundle, gorgeous, because we hope you found some new favorites. Use code favorites for 15% off. So if you want to get 15% off, use code favorites on your next. So then I got this Wishful sample cream, I think. Yeah, it's a gel moisturizer. It's kind of cute the way the packaging is on it. Okay, so then the first item I see is a Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm. So Diamond Balm Sparkly Lip Balm. And the only reason why I saw that the Huda had these mystery bundles is from Leah Janae and Leora Loves Makeup. They posted them on, I think, their Instagram and on their YouTube channel, so that's where I saw it, and I was like, okay, I want to see what these are all about, because I love Huda Beauty. I just never thought I could honestly afford it. I thought it was a really high-end brand, and it's actually not that bad. It's kind of, it's up there with all the other higher-end makeup. So this is the balm right here. There's a lot of glitter. Focus. Look how pretty that is. The next item I see is this Demi Matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Bonnie. I do have another Huda liquid lip that I got from a BoxyCharm a long time ago, and it was incredible. It was so good. So I'm really excited for this. This is really, really pretty and really, really nice. I will definitely use this because I like the more of the nudes and berry, kind of like mauve-y colors. This is pretty, and this packaging is really, really gorgeous. There it is right there. That was product number 2. This is product number 3. This is a Mattes and Metals Melted Shadows, and this is in the color Do Not Disturb. Oh wow, this packaging is also very beautiful. Look at the packaging on it. So you could probably use this as an eye topper. Okay, so this is the shadow part, and then this is the liner part. Or whatever you want to do with it. Very pretty. I want to get more creative in doing more kind of fun looks. Like I created this look tonight. We went out to the Van Gogh experience in downtown St. Pete, and it was incredible. I'll do another little video if you guys want me to on that, because I love going to museums and going to see the exhibits that's in town or wherever you can go to go to a museum. Okay, so the last item was this 9-pan nude palette, Huda Beauty. So I saw that different people were getting different colors. So this is a nude one. I saw Leora, she got the amethyst one. I have that one somewhere in this mess of a room. I don't know where it is. But I have that one. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to do a look with this. This is so beautiful. I can kick myself because I had bought some of her products like a long time ago, some of these, and I didn't like how they performed. So I think that was why I never really went back to them. But I was willing to give everything, you know, a second chance. We have the 9-pan Rich Nude Obsessions palette. We have the Matte and Metals Melted Shadows. And this is the color Do Not Disturb. We got this liquid lipstick in the color Bonnie. And we got this Diamond Balm. And this is in Seductress. So that was pretty good, I guess, for $49. You get all those items in this little bag right here. I thought that was a really good deal. So the next items I got, I just got them because they were on sale in her little sale bin. So this is a perfume, K Ali. Oh, it smells nice. Okay, so I picked up the Coral Obsession, the 9 palette Coral Obsession, because I think corals look really good on my skin too. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look how beautiful these colors are. These are going to be really pretty to do a look with. Okay, so this was on sale for $18.90. So then I got these 4 lippies. Blush Nudes Mini Liquid Matte. Oh, these are so pretty. Look at these. Oh, I love them. These are like the perfect size. Perfect purse size. And these are $23.10, or the sale section part of her website. Color Bombshell. Ooh, this smells really good. Yes. This is in the color Venus. Maybe I have to shake it up because it looks like Bombshell was kind of runny. This is in the color Venus, the one next to it. This one is in the color Muse. This is really pretty. It's like a dusty rose. Oh, they smell so good too. So this is the Muse color. Looks like a NARS color that I have. And the last one is in the color Wifey. That's a really nice light nude color. So there they are on my hand. So this 4 lippy set was $23.10. Last item I got was the Huda Beauty foundation in the color Dolce de Leche. So I had to do a color matching online, and that's like never the best thing to do. And honestly, this one was also on sale. That's why I wanted to try it. So look at the color there. I don't know. Let's see. Like, I know you shouldn't pump it on your hand, but that's the only thing we can do tonight to see. Can I unscrew it? Okay, yay, I finally got some out after 10,000 years of pumping. Ooh, it smells super good too. Has a really nice smell. Oh, it's very light. Ooh, look at that color. Okay, I know a lot of people don't like perfume scents, but I kind of do. You know what? I'm not mad at it. I think I can make it work. I definitely can make it work, and it smells really good. So Every Birdie, that was everything I got in my Huda Beauty mystery bag, along with my Huda Beauty purchase. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see all you birdies later. Bye, Every Birdie.